Good afternoon, and for the week ahead things change very slowly, but I think they will actually change about the middle of the week. There'll be a lot of cloud around though, so frost is unlikely to be a problem. Certainly it'll only be in prone patches in the north of the country until about midweek. And then we start to see a bit of rain push in. At the same time the rain moves in, most of it in the west and maybe the north of the country, so the gloom will lift and we'll see a much brighter end to the week. Let us hope, at least. Well, there's the pressure chart for today. High pressure is the dominant theme. You've seen that many a time. And there's Friday's. High pressure is still really the dominant theme, but it is being pushed now from the south. So we've got rather more of a draw of air, and there's fronts from west, north and south. So there's got to be a bit of rain around, and possibly a stronger breeze as well. That's the satellite picture. There's virtually nothing showing through. There's some brighter weather likely, certainly around Northumberland it's been brighter, and Tyne and Wear, down towards northern Wales, but generally a grey, a cloudy, a dull day, though mainly dry. The winds are keeping it that way, those winds coming off the North Sea and also coming off the Low Countries. Very light winds, certainly, but they are drawing some very cold air across. That's at the moment 3 or 4 degrees. Amsterdam down to Antwerp, almost persistent fog. We draw it across the short hop. We rise the temperature to 6 to 8. That's probably the best we'll do, 8 at best. Then double figures in many other places, but it's not going to feel particularly warm. It's just a grey old day. Following the winds then for the next 24-36 hours, they generally stay off the North Sea, but in the south of the country they turn round to a southerly, and then also a southerly up over Scotland. Not a particularly strong breeze, but that is a significant change in direction. For tonight though, we're into the very dull, cloudy times once again, misty, hill fog in the south, possibly some breaks up around the Forth and Clyde valleys again, touch of frost up there, otherwise the normal figures as last night, single figures. For Monday, a bit of brightness in the west, a very similar day to today. Of course, it won't be exactly the same, they never are. And then, if we move from Monday, watch this thing moving up through the Bay of Biscay. That'll bring us our first bit of rain, I'd have thought, in the form of showers. So for Tuesday then, after a fairly chilly night in the north of the country, generally cloudy, a bit of bright or even sunny weather elsewhere, the showers move up from the southwest up towards Northern Ireland by the end of the day. It'll cloud up again, I think we might see a few drops of rain, and also higher temperatures in the southwest. Wednesday we'll see thick enough cloud for spots of rain in the west and again in the north, temperatures rising a little bit more. If we look at Wednesday's chart, that's the pressure chart, that's the old frontal system, that'll move out of the way to be replaced eventually by the end of Thursday or into Friday by another one. So we might get a brief dryish spell in the middle, but we will see the temperatures rise, as you've already seen, up a few degrees, moving up the country, and then it'll disappear once again. Thursday then, a generally dry day, a little bit warmer than it has been, possibly still fairly dull in northeastern Scotland. Friday, the onshore breeze returns, the cloud thickens in the south, and some more rain returns to southern Britain. So to sum it all up again then, a pretty grey start to the day, brighter by the end of the